Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect Shopify to Facebook Shop. I'll be showing you step by step how to do this as a complete beginner. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook. Once in Facebook, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select See All right below Gaming. And from here I want you to tap on Page. After selecting page, from here you are going to create a dummy page, so you can add any random name and you're going to add a category, and then you're going to tap on create page. After you have created the page, what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and right where you see account and you see your profile pic, you're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select switch to page, so you're going to switch to the dummy page that you have created, or if you had a page already you could switch to that page. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see Meta Business Suite, as you can see right here, you're going to tap on that. And after doing that, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, what I want you to do is go over to the top left hand menu option, and right where you see the dummy page that you had created, you are going to tap on that. Then you'll see the option create a business account. You are going to select that, and from here you are going to add your business name, and you can also add your first and last name, and you are going to add your business email. After doing that, you are going to tap on create. After you have created it, you are going to see business accounts, and you are going to tap on the settings cog beside the business account that you have created. And then you are going to be redirected to this page. And from here, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and you are going to select business settings. And then you are going to be redirected to this page. And on this page, you'll be able to create your Facebook pixel. And to do that, all you have to do is scroll down. Then right where you see data sources, you're going to tap on that. Then you will select pixels. Then after selecting pixels, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can add in the pixel name. And you are going to paste in your Shopify URL right here. So you are going to go back onto Shopify and you are going to copy your URL. Let me copy the URL real quick. After you have copied the URL, you are going to paste it right here. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on continue. And then give it a few seconds to load up. Once it has loaded up, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you will see two options, and we are going to tap on set up the pixel now. Then from here, I want you to select the first option that says add code using a partner integration. And you are going to be redirected to this dashboard, and all you'll have to do is scroll down and select Shopify. Once you have selected Shopify, you will see this option connect your Shopify account to Facebook. And to do this, you are going to go back into Shopify, and you are going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you are going to select apps. After selecting apps, you are going to type in Facebook in the search bar, and you are going to tap on enter, and this will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. And in the Shopify App Store, I want you to select right where you see Facebook and Instagram, and you will also see the option Instagram Store, Instagram Shop, and Facebook Shop. You could select that, but I would recommend you select this one as it's quite easy to use and it's completely free. All you'll have to do now is tap on add app. Then you're going to tap on Add Sales Channel. After you have added sales channel, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Start Setup. Then you're going to tap on Connect Account, and it is going to open a dashboard for you to connect your account, and you'll tap on Continue. Once you have selected Continue, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you will see the business account that you have created right here, and you could link the business account, or you could tap on let me show you real quick. So you're going to tap on this page, then I'll tap on Connect, just a random page. Then I'm going to tap on the business account that I had created. Then you're going to tap on Connect. And after you have done that, I want you to scroll down, and right where you see your Shopify online store, you are going to tap on that, then tap on Save. Then from here you have three options. You can select Enhance, Maximum, or Conservative. For this example, I will select Maximum. Then I'm going to tap on Save. And from here you will see Connect a Pixel to track your customer conversion, your customer behavior. And you could create a new pixel if you want, or you could stick with the pixel that we had created earlier. We're going to stick with the pixel that we had created earlier. So I'm going to tap on Connect. Then I'll select I agree. Then I'll tap on Submit for review. After you have done that, you're going to go back into Facebook. And from here, you'll tap on I've completed the setup on Shopify. Then select Next. And you're going to paste your URL right here. So you're going to go back into Shopify, and you're going to copy your URL. Then you're going to go back into Facebook and paste your URL right here. Then tap on Send Test Traffic. And it is going to automatically open your Shopify store. Once it has done that, you're going to go back and you will see the option Active, and you're going to tap on Next. Then you will see confirmation, and all you have to do now is tap on Finish. And that's it. You can see that the pixel has now been added, and you're going to go back into Shopify, and you can see that it will take a while for them to review it. You're finished setting up your shop on Facebook and Instagram. Once we have finished reviewing your information, you'll be able to start selling, and you'll tap on Done. And you can see that the verification process normally takes 24 hours. And all you have to do now is tap on Start Verification. And it will redirect you back to Facebook. Just give it a few seconds. Then you'll tap on Start Verification again. And from here, would you like to verify organization details, identity documents? And you can select whichever options. I'll tap on this one. Then, or if you are a personal document, if you want to use your personal documents, you could tap on identity documents. Then tap on Next. Then from here, you could upload your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. You can select whichever one of these options that you want to use to verify your government ID. And then you'll continue following the few steps right there to verify. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.